everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I've kind of been a little MIA lately. I promised I was going to make a New Year's Eve video. I've had some stuff come up. It's kind of been busy with the holidays, so I do apologize, but I am back. I did not forget about you guys. But yeah, let's take a look at this yumminess that I got in front of me. It's kind of a weird combination, pizza and onion rings. I don't know if people eat that together, but who cares, because we are today. If you know me so far, I love onion rings. So I'll get into that in a minute and talk about those. And then this is actually just a Red Baron pizza. So I'm going to go ahead and cut into this bad boy, and I will be back in just a second. Okay, so I don't know why I just didn't cut the pizza before the video, but yeah, it's all cut. Let's just go ahead and dig in. This is the 4 cheese pizza. And of course, I have to get some ranch. This is just some I've had in my fridge. This is the Ken's brand. By the way, I do remember someone saying in a comment, I'm so sorry, I forgot your name. Sorry, I have to smell everything I eat. Yeah, you talked about I think it's the Hidden Valley Buttermilk Ranch. Definitely need to try that one. Have not been to the grocery store, so next time I'm there, I will definitely try it. I'm just going to move this up just to make this a little more organized. I have a feeling this is going to run when I pour it. Not too bad. So I've got ranch and ketchup. I like to dip my rings in ketchup and ranch as well. So, oh my god, this is literally my first meal for the day. Oh my god, cheesy pizza. I'm so hungry. We haven't really done anything today. Kind of just stayed in the house, relaxed. My husband he was the one that went to the store and went and got us some food because we don't have any groceries, and I don't feel like grocery shopping, so. And I do have, of course, you can't have a mukbang without my Dr. Pepper. Yes. Get some ketchup. Let's try out these onion rings. Onion rings are by far my favorite fried food. Oh, those are good. So, I hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas and New Year's. Happy 2018, even though this video is well after New Year's. We didn't really do anything, we just stayed home, which was fine because that's what we wanted to do, so. This pizza is so good. I feel like I'm starving. Mm-hmm. By the way, I wanted to show you all these onion rings. It's never heard of this brand before. Alexia. This is the brand. They're pretty crispy. With panko breadcrumbs and sea salt. Non-GMO. I didn't get them because they were non-GMO, but yeah. And they're pretty amazing. So bomb. Those are good. Use some more ranch. Where are you, ranch? Pizza's so good. So there's this pizza place in my hometown called Papa Murphy's. If you have a Papa Murphy's, make sure to comment down below. Let me know. Anyways, you go in and all the ingredients are raw. I mean, they have like different pizzas, kind of like Subway. They have like sandwiches up at the top, but you can choose from, and I'm pretty sure you can like tell them if you want it like your own kind of whatever pizza. But you go in, the dough's raw, they've got all the vegetables chopped, and there's this one pizza, and it's I want to say it's roasted red pepper with spinach and feta, and it's flatbread. Oh my god, it's so good. But yeah, I wish we had Papa Murphy's here. I think there is, but I think it's not like in the area. So anyways, if you have Papa Murphy's and you like that kind of pizza, try the I just said it, dried sun tomato. That's what's called, dried sun tomato with feta and spinach, and I believe it has chicken on it too. But it's the best pizza ever. And I actually prefer flatbread, just not necessarily for health reasons, but I really like the texture of it and the crunchy, and it's just thin, and so. Mm. Mm. I like the double onion rings where you get two. Mm. Mm. So good. So crunchy, crispy. Mm. Mm. Love me some Dr. Pepper. Okay, so I can never make it through my videos without finishing my food nearly more than half the time. I'm super stuffed. But I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I would love for you to subscribe. Try to upload videos every weekend. So yeah, until next time, I will see you guys later, and I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful weekend.